So guys, right here I'm going to actually take you on to the live feed so that you can actually see how is how it's like to trade, how it's like to actually see it in. I know it's a little bit daunting to actually look at it, but I know if you haven't seen it before, but if you actually it's your first time to actually see it now, I promise you man, you're going to enjoy it if you actually get that courage to actually start to learn about it. So we're going to come on to here to exchange. So we're going to click right here then, and then we're going to come on to inside here. Then that is just going to load, and then we're actually going to come inside here. So okay, so I am just going to remove myself right here. Just going to remove myself so that you can actually see. Okay, let me just move myself onto this line. Come on. Okay, the one to be moved. Okay. A bit slow. Okay guys, so I am going to show you, this is the live chat right here. So it's going to show us what exactly is going on, and we're going to actually see. Okay, let me just remove this. Okay, it's just that my internet is a little bit slow right there. So okay, so I am going to show you how I can actually trade, you know. I am going to show you guys. So here, these are the live chats right here. So you have no open orders. So I am going to do an order. So my wallet right now is, I think I am on Bitcoin. So I'm going to go, because I traded Litecoin. So okay, let's go into see, go on to this drop down menu here. Just that my feed is actually not doing exactly what I want right now. Come on. Damn, this is not doing exactly how I expected right now. It's just doing whatever it likes right now. So I just traded in just few seconds. I think I bought the stuff. Oh, wow. Okay, so I am going to show you how to trade using Luno right now. So right now this is how Luno works. This is the chart. So I am going to open up an order right now. So this is where I am. So I have about 44 rand on my wallet right now. So I am going to use all of that. So now the Litecoin now is about 2,540. So what I am going to buy it, I'm going to buy it when it's 2,000. Now, so okay, let me not go down a little too much. So I am going to do it when it's 2,450. Now 2,550. Okay, so let's quickly do that right now. So it's going to be 2,470, right? And then I'm going to put all of it. Just gonna click max. So this is the amount I am going to use. It's about 44 rand. So you can see here I'm not gonna pay any fees. The fees is 0.000. I won't be paying any fees. So I am going to just click buy. I'm about to place an order to buy this one. Okay, so I'm placing the order. It's taking a little bit longer. Okay, place the order. Alright, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so okay, so now it's done. Now I have been successfully been able to put in my order right now. So as you can see now, my wallet, I have no rands now, right? So my order now, it's open right here. So once this amount here, 2,537, once it gets down to 2,470, I'm going to do a purchase of the Litecoin. Then I'm going to wait again once it goes up, and then I sell. So that's only how this works, guys. So I'm going to stop right here so that you can do this for yourself. So you can just try it and tell me how was it going. If you have any questions, you can just post them on this channel. So please like and share this so that it can reach other people, so that they can be able to trade as well, guys. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to check out my link below on the description, so that you can be able to start with your 25 rand worth of Bitcoin. Ciao, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.